Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will learn how Japanese people say Christmas and New Year greetings, along with some important cultural tips. This video is part of our Japanese cultural tips series. Let's begin. First, let's talk about Christmas in Japan. In Japanese, Merry Christmas is said as Merry Christmas. This is read as Merry Christmas. It simply means Merry Christmas. This phrase comes from English and is used almost the same way. You can say Merry Christmas to friends, family, and classmates. It is a casual and friendly expression, not a formal one. In Japan, Christmas is not a traditional holiday. It is more about couples, decorations, and enjoying cake and small celebrations. People usually say Merry Christmas on December 24th and December 25th. Now, let's talk about New Year greetings in Japan. This part is very important because many learners make mistakes here. In Japan, New Year is the most important holiday of the year. The greeting changes depending on whether it is before or after January 1st. Before New Year, until December 31st, Japanese people say, Yoi o toshi o. This is read as Yoi o toshi o. It means have a good New Year. This phrase is used when saying goodbye at the end of the year. You can use it with friends, co-workers, neighbors, and even in polite situations. You should only say, Yoi o toshi o, before New Year. It is never used after January 1st. From January 1st onward, Japanese people say, Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. This is read as Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. It means Happy New Year. This is the polite and standard expression. You should use it with teachers, seniors, co-workers, and people you do not know well. With close friends and family, a casual version is also used. That version is Akemashite omedetou. This is read Akemashite omedetou. It is very important to remember this rule. Do not say Akemashite omedetou before January 1st. Before New Year, say Yoi o toshi o. After New Year, say Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. In Japan, many companies close during the New Year period. Families spend time together, and many people visit shrines for the first shrine visit of the year called Hatsumode. New Year in Japan is a quiet and family-focused holiday. It is very different from Christmas. Let's quickly review. For Christmas, Japanese people say, Merry Christmas. It is casual and used on December 24th and 25th. Before New Year, people say, Yoi o toshi o. After New Year, people say, Akemashite omedetou gozaimasu. Now you know how Japanese people greet each other during Christmas and New Year in the correct way. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to check our Japanese cultural tips playlist for more real-life Japanese. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.